Once you have to tell something you're not taking from Nomas, you're also not a Fumela and Tito. Not to have money report that or but who agree with God that by his stripes I am healed. Not to have men and bank account yake, not have men and covered his yake, but who understand no matter what punishment made only a person of who back and that's his game. Once you have men and when you will be at peace. Acquaint yourself with the Lord and be in agreement with him and conform yourself to his will. Once you agree with God, once you say what he is saying, once you do what he's telling you to do, you will be at peace. And once you are at peace, by that, prosperity will come to you. Prosperity will come to you.